Good morning, good evening, good day, wherever you may be. Something you think about in this one. The electric last mile solution is going public by sPAC merger with Forum Merger III, ticker symbol FIII. The name would change to ELMS when they get listed. It should close in Q1 of 2021. Electric Last Mile will be launching its urban delivery van in Q3 2021, which will be its first electric Class 1 commercial vehicle in the U.S. They have more than 30,000 pre-orders for this EV, which represents, let's say, about over 1.0 billion customers. The investor page, which I put on there for you, investor page has it raised $379 million from this transaction, expecting to use it to fund operations and growth. The proposed business combination expects to sufficiently fund initial product launches with the proceeds from this merger. Basically, ELMS is focused on redefining the last mile market with a vertical integrated approach, designing and customizing electric connected last mile delivery vehicles, in case you want to know. But the investor conference call was December 11th, 2020. David Borsch, I think how you say it, he's co-chief executive officer and chief financial officer of Forum III. He said, "We are seeing unprecedented demand for delivery vehicles as e-commerce and last-mile logistics, expansion of green energy, and sustainability initiatives. Companies from Fortune 500 brands and the largest fleet operators down to small businesses are looking for the best electric line of electric delivery vehicles." Basically saying they see a huge demand for them. ELMS is expected to have the lowest total cost of ownership, a state-of-the-art connected data platforms, and disruptive customization models. Basically, they still have some more to say on the investors conference call, but we're going to go to Jim Taylor, a co-founder on the electric last mile ELMS, talked about their advantages ELMS has over other companies. The first vehicle, according to them, the ELMS urban delivery is scheduled to be available within a year. It is based on an existing platform developed and sold by SOKON group in the Asian market. There are 30,000 of these electric delivery vehicles driving 1.5 million miles every day. Everything I saw had 30,000 in it. ELMS has contracts with SOKON Group to provide them with their know-how, parts, supply, and field and service data. ELMS will be an independent trade on NASDAQ-produced vehicles in the U.S. ELMS are targeting commercial delivery vehicles from Class 1 to Class 3. That is 80% of the last mile market. ELMS will be made in a plant in the U.S. that has 20-year history of producing vehicles. It's a Hummer plant. which is already retrofitted for EV production. ELMS has received more than 30,000 pre-orders, which is $1 billion in potential revenue. So they have all throughout that. He stated ELMS will be the first e-delivery vehicle coming to the market for Class 1 category in the U.S. They plan to launch the urban delivery at roughly $25,000 net of federal tax credit, which makes it comparable to Class 1 ICE. Having their Class 1 and Class 3 urban utility products based on vehicles already developed by SOCAN on the road in Asia should incur relative low engineering expense of approximately $7 million to launch these in the U.S. That's some cost cutting for them. But the engineers are meeting all U.S. safety and regulatory requirements. With the suppliers based already established, majority of their EV systems and componentability here in the U.S., ELMS is expecting to deliver 4,000 in Q4 2021, 19,000 in 2022, and approximately 35,000 deliveries in 2023. They can do a whole lot more in that Humber plant. They expect positive cash flow by 2022 and reach $3 billion in revenue by 2025. But they have a suite of technology solutions. ELMS has partnered with industry leader Geotab to complement ELMS over-the-air data system to help customers optimize their productivity. The vehicles will be assembled at the former Humber plant in Wilson, Indiana. I'm not going to attempt to say that. The batteries will be supplied by Chinese battery company CATL, CATL. They supply batteries to a lot of people, a lot of businesses. Actually, when you think. The UD1 has a price of $32,500 before the $7,500 federal tax credit. It has a 150-mile range. There are some great key leaders on the board. I'll put them on there for you. There's also a shareholder alert. Weston Law, LLP, investigates Forum Merger III Corporation for a possible breach of fiduciary duty and other violations of law by Board of Directors of Forum Merger III Corporation. And that's the stock chart for you. It's down. A lot of them have been investigated by the law firm. That's almost like a standard practice now. But y'all stay tuned. Stay healthy. Please share. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Thank you. Good night.